Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today we're having a look at how to add a payment method in Hostinger. So let's dive in. The first thing you're going to do is go over from your menu to the billing section. It's the last item over here. And from here on the left hand side you can see we have payment methods. Over here you will see all of your current payment methods, and on the top right hand side you will see add payment method. Now there are two ways to do this. Of course there's PayPal, and once you tap on PayPal, what it'll require from you is a PayPal payment method, and we can say tap on PayPal checkout, and what it's going to do is it's going to connect your PayPal account. Now, if you want to go ahead and do the other method, which is the adding a bank account or a bank card, all you have to do is enter the name that is on your card, the card number, the expiration date, as well as the CVC, which is your security code. It's 3 digits. It can be found on the back of your card. You can go ahead and tap on add card, and then you are done. You will now see all of these methods that we have added in on this page over here. Now, if you want to learn more about Hostinger, you can go ahead and search our channel. We've got some awesome content to help you learn and grow. We'll see you on the other side. Peace.